So, alors là, il y a David Deutsch qui dit Brexit benefit. Il dit true. Euh, donc, c'est parce que la TVA a été cut donc David Deutsch, excellente personne, d'accord. C'est un peu son livre qui m'a inspiré un peu sur tout ça. Alors pas que son livre, mais en partie son livre, d'accord. Donc voilà. Alors euh, la TVA euh, est- va être enlevée en gros de la facture d'énergie pour les particuliers en octobre. Alors, euh, là, il dit Brexit benefit. Pourquoi? Parce qu'à mon avis, c'est parce que en Angleterre en ce moment, ils sont plus du côté justement enfin, ils sont moins du côté du gouvernement et des taxes, d'accord. Alors que en Europe, il l'était plus, d'accord. Ok. Donc j'espère que euh, donc c'est pour ça que David dit trop. Ok. Parce que s'ils étaient restés dans l'Europe, peut-être qu'ils n'auraient pas pu faire ça, d'accord. Alors, je suis pas en train de dire que là, je fais pas trop de jugement de valeur sur la TVA. Euh, j'explique juste pourquoi David dit trop par rapport à ça. Et pourquoi, du coup, le gouvernement a l'air d'être quand même dans le sens de David là-dessus. Alors, il faut savoir que David est assez conservateur. Ok. Alors, euh, David est assez conservateur et vous voyez, il a vraiment un point de vue. Euh, eh bien, bon, en général, les gens qui sont d'Oxford sont plutôt conservateurs. Euh, et David et un autre lord d'Angleterre euh, ont fait des livres très très bons sur l'innovation. Donc, qui s'appelle. Alors, je l'ai sur X, hein. Je l'ai sur X, mais là je retrouve pas son nom. Qui a fait un très très bon livre sur l'innovation. Honnêtement, ça m'a inspiré aussi, ce livre-là. D'accord. Donc, David, euh, David, je pense, m'a plus inspiré au niveau philosophie un peu et physique. En fait, il dit un peu des choses qui, en fait, euh, comment dire, des choses qui sont passées un peu dans sa vie et d'un point de vue d'un physicien donc qui veut faire monter la connaissance pour augmenter les capacités de l'humanité au maximum. Et euh, enfin, il y a des choses qui sont passées qui sont quand même. Et il donne des bons exemples aussi pour bien comprendre euh, eh bien, pourquoi il faut aller vers l'infinité. Vous voyez. Donc, honnêtement, David Deutsch, j'ai beaucoup aimé son livre. Ok. Donc, je vais quand même faire une petite analyse. Donc, alors, en français, en français, puisque là, j'ai fait l'analyse en français. Bon, peut-être que je pourrais la faire en anglais. Bon, allez, on va la faire en anglais, comme ça, David va mieux comprendre s'il voit ça. D'accord. Donc, euh, donc, euh, so, for those, so I think the people on X knows that David Dodge is more on the conservative side, but it's part of the clear way to explain to you these things. Okay, so I'm just going to verify because I read his book, but basically I've never seen his political positions. Okay, I just at a high level I guess that he's a conservative person. Okay, donc I think he's more on the de supporter le Brexit. Okay. I think taking children seriously. Yes. So what? So you know what? I said that he is on the conservative side. I don't even. I'm not even sure. You see. So sorry if I misrepresented you, David. If you hear me right now. Sorry about that. Okay, so I must have misrepresented this. So maybe the opposite actually, no, because so basically maybe conservative on the side of Israel, maybe. So, but guys, please, religion gets into this again. I'm independent of religions. Okay. I just think that David made a really nice book, and that taking children seriously is a really nice thing to do. Okay. So I am independent of religions. Okay. Dutch Gate. Okay. And so basically, I think that Jewish people that went abroad and that have this age, I think are more on the kind of progressive, especially on children, mentality. Okay, so so I said conservative, but he also was for Brexit. So I mean, it's not in the maybe it's a bit like me. He's an independent thinker. Okay, so here you go. Because obviously people from Oxford are more independent thinkers. Okay, so here you go. So I won't say that it's more on the conservative side. I said that because basically, so I said that because in the book it talks about the binary system in English. It talks about the binary system in English speaking countries. Okay. So that's why I said is a bit more on the conservative side, conservative English side. Okay. So now that I remember this, I'm like, I think it's more on the conservative side. Okay. So for for information, David is more on the conservative English side. I think so. is that even conservative? I think it's conservative in the sense where he was defending keeping the system like this. So, but for good reasons, you see. So basically, his arguments were that so adding parties so potentially would add the tyranny of the minority. Okay, so that's what David Deutsch said in his book. So now it's been even 6 years than I've read this, and I was not fully convinced. I might have a few things to say about this. Okay, so before talking about this, I think this is a really important subject because obviously I'm for kind of a third party. You see, like independent party that would kind of observe, make exchanges, and things like that, because the private sector became politically motivated and not neutral. Okay, but so I think you know what? I'm not going to talk about that because I don't like to put people in boxes. Okay, so so Brexit benefit. Yes. So just to break this down, I'm just going to break this thing down. Okay. So Brexit allowed. Maybe I think this is more the conservative side. The conservative side of the UK to take more control. Okay, and kind of and like how can I say that? And remove the taxes, remove some taxes, and I'm going to explain why this tax specifically, because basically house energy is a low value product, and so technically we must tax higher value things. Okay, and you see the UK is understanding this. Okay, so you see in France some people do not understand this. So Brexit allowed the conservative side of the UK to take more control and go back on some taxes. Okay, because the conservative side is a little bit less for taxes. Okay, and basically energy is a low value product and should be encouraged, and buying energy should be encouraged to develop, and sell higher value products. Okay, so this is my analysis on this. Okay, and so I think France should do some of the same thing. Okay, because taxing energy, so basically they want to do the opposite in France. Do you see the problem? So here you go. Okay, somebody says, why do you think this is a benefit? So if people can see my post, which I am not sure of, they can see this. Hopefully David is going to watch that. So here we go. L'esclavage n'a jamais été aboli. Oh.